A friend is putting together a care package for a friend, and here's what's in it. This smells so good. So good. Mmm. Smells so good. I wish you could smell it, guys. Oops. It's heart shaped. I can get my stuff to focus. Heart shaped earrings. Yes, that's what's in it. That's the care package. I'm sure the friend would love it. She wants to put together a care package for a friend because the friend is going through some rough times. Isn't this the sweetest thing you could do for your friend? This whole package is all only worth $30. That's shipping included. Shipping, packaging included. So, yeah, if you want us to help you make your friends happy, just get in contact with us. We'll put things together for them. All right. All right. Thank you so much.